Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AWeber for email affiliate marketing. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, AWeber has an affiliate program and you can be an advocate for AWeber so you can get paid by referral AWeber. And here you will see how you can make money as affiliate marketer. And basically, this is the support article of a Weber. And from here, we will understand how we can do it. So simply, you will be needing to have a Weber Advocate account, and those are some details. So basically, we'll receive referral payments up to 15% for the lifetime of an account. And basically, those are just like the details of a Weber Advocate account. After that, you will be needing just to set up your advocate membership. You can do it by going to aweber.com/advocate, and basically from there you can start creating your account. So you can click on start getting paid. Here you will add your contact information, your first name, last name, email address, and all the other stuff. You add your payment settings, so it really depends on uh, the country, and then add your PayPal account because referral payments are paid via PayPal. After that, you create a password for your account, and from there, you will be able to start using your referral links. So basically, you will get a referral link on the dashboard, and from there, you will be able to start sending it to people so you can start getting paid from for each visit or for each person that goes or that access to this referral link. Also, you can start customizing your referral link so it cannot seem as a scam or anything, and basically you can start sending it in emails or whatever. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.